Hi WFM! You guys have been asking for more vlogs and I intend to bring them to you. So I'm gonna try and do more week in my life vlogs where I basically put together all the actual interesting thing that's happening in the week and I bring those to you. The first and the most interesting thing happening today is that I need to get ready and leave for Malad for a shoot. So I'm gonna glam and see you right back. Okay, so I have full glam done. I only need to apply my lipstick now, which I will reach the shoot and apply because I just applied some lip balm. I've done wild curls in my hair tonight with like a 3-wave tong. I'll insert a picture over here. I love the way it used to style my long hair. And surprisingly, this is only the first time I'm doing it to my short hair, which is really surprising because I love the look of this in general. It looks really cool and chic. I am planning to go meet my nanny after the shoot. I think I should have some buffer time today, so I definitely want to go swing by to her house because I've met her a few times in 2020 because she was living at my mom's for so long, but that would be when I would go to mom's. I haven't gone to her house in Andheri in a really long time, so on the way back I plan on taking Payal and going there, sitting and finishing off some work and then spending the afternoon with her. I am waiting down in the building right now because like one complete smart ass, I have forgotten a very important aspect of the shoot, which is the camera battery up at home. So Jerry is sending it down. This is what happens when you have to do everything on your own. I'm so used to my team being there to help. Now that they're not, something or the other is easily forgotten. Thank you, Nanda Khala. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna start driving now because I'm definitely running a little behind schedule. This is really not my day. So first I almost forgot my driver's license because we came back from the airport yesterday and it was kept with Jerry, but at the door only he remembered. Then you guys know I went back to get my camera battery and then I have walked into the wrong mall. I drove into the wrong mall. I drove into Hypercity instead of Inorbit. The road was being dug and somebody pointed me towards the gate. I thought it was the gate for Inorbit. It was the gate for Hypercity. I'm literally 40 minutes late. Hating this right now. I'm never late. I'm usually always on time. But the traffic, the road being done, being pointed to the wrong mall. Thank you so much. At Nani's house. अंदर है. अंदर है. Hi. वालेकुम सलाम. सलाम.
मेरी गुड़िया. अरे मेरी बच्ची.
कौन आई?
मैंने तो चश्मे नहीं पहनी थी.
मैं आई. मैं तुमको सरप्राइज करने आई.
वाह वाह वाह. मेरी गुड़िया कैसी दिखती है? ये बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं बाल.
हाँ. थैंक यू. मैंने कर्ल करी. क्या करते हो?
बैठी हूँ बेटा.
वेट पुट ऑन कर रही हूँ. बोली थी मैं तुमको मैं मोटी हो गई. मैं वेट लॉस करके इधर आई हूँ और तुमको पुट ऑन लग रहा है. हाँ मोटू. हाय बोलो मेरे कैमरा को. हाय बोलो.
हाय. हाय मोटू.
मोटू. हाय यूट्यूब बोलो. हाय यूट्यूब. हाय यूट्यूब.
5 मिनट जल्दी आते ना मामू जान से बात करते.
ओहो.
5 मिनट.
ओह क्या बोले तो मेरे हेयर स्टाइल के बारे में?
बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
शबाना. It is.
से भी आगे तू.
अच्छा.
अरे
रुको मैं शबाना को ये दिखाती हूँ. तुम्हारी बेटी है ना शबाना. बोलेगी मैं तेरी माँ हूँ. So anyone who knows me knows that I love Caries, and Zainab Khala just came and told me that wait, let me show you. Literally the khidki behind Nani's bed has like this tree has so many Caries on it. I love Caries. If you ever meet me, please feel free to bring me Caries. And this is a ginormous Carie का tree. बागबान हो गया मेरा दिल. बागबान हो गया. अब खिला भी दो मुझे, सिर्फ दिखाओ मत, क्योंकि अब तुमने मेरे को तलब दे दिए हो और अब मेरे को कैरी खाने की है.
ये बांध के रखी हूँ
तो तुम तोड़ के लाएंगे. कोई बात नहीं, अपन बाजार से जाके खरीद के लाएंगे. ऐसा तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yummy.
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, ये जो कैरी लेने में और बाजार की कैरी लेने में मजा नहीं आएगा। वो ये कैरी को देख के दिल बाग हो जाता है।
For the record, this is Zainab Khala. She has been in our family since her and my mother were both 15 years old. She's like a masi to me, and she gets me curries and she gets me sing. Zainab Khala, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि तुम 15 साल की उम्र से हमारे फैमिली में हो, मेरे माँ जैसे हो, और मेरे को तब से कैरी और सिंग खिला रहे हो मेरे बचपन से।
आधी होने दो, मैं ढूंढ के लाती थी कैरी, लाके रखती थी। आनम को घर पे कभी जाती थी ना, तो जब भी जाके देती थी। शादी भी हो गई ना, उसके बाद भी मैं जाके देती थी उसके।
तो आज नानी सबके साइज के पीछे पड़े, मेरे को बोल रहे कि मैं मोटी हो गई, तुमको बोल रहे कि तुम दुबले थे। नानी तुम ही अकेले सुखड़े हो, हम लोग सब मोटे हो गए। तुम्हारी एकदम इन हो, एकदम सेक्सी हो तुम। बोलो आई एम सेक्सी एंड आई नो इट, यू नो इट, यू नो इट। नहीं, मेरी गलती थी, मेरे को मालूम नहीं था तुम खाना नहीं खाए थे। चलो नाउ ईट क्विकली, कम ऑन, डोंट डू लाइक दिस।
अरे मेरा बच्चा।
Anybody else who has grandparents that need to be baby fed? मैं खिलाऊं तुमको?
नहीं बेटा।
Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? He's on a work call and I have a surprise for him. Hi. It went well. The shoot went well. This is for you. Open.
Kaju Kishmish ice cream.
How do you know what is
Because
inside?
it's cold, and I know that you know about Kaju Kishmish ice cream. So Kaju Kishmish ice cream.
That was quite a guess, huh? I didn't even tell him. That was an awesome guess, I have to say.
It's the only ice cream that I have.
Yeah, Kaju Draksh from Naturals.
Thank you.
Mwah.
How come?
I just saw Naturals at the mall we were shooting at, so I said, I got you some, I got some for Nani. I went and met Nani after the shoot.
How's Nani?
She's good. She ended up eating ice cream without telling me that she had not had lunch, and then she refused to eat lunch.
Legit.
Basically, she's turned into a baby. Hi, Nibbles! Oh my god, she's back! Hi, Nibbles! Meeting her for the first time since after Jaipur. Hi, Baba! Okay, she's always moody as hell on the first day after she comes back. And then from tomorrow, she'll be fine. She takes like that one day adjusting after that relocation. Okay, hello! I know I was supposed to go wish a friend of mine happy birthday in the evening, but I got really busy between emails and editing a video and making sure it goes live. So Jerry went and I had to stay home and finish work. I was literally cutting everything so fine today on schedule. It is insane, and aap logo ko already pata hai that the day started off on quite a dramatic note with everything going wrong. I have Omar over here. Omar, say hi.
Hey, what's up?
He's driving. We are on our way to BKC. We are going for this really fun thing called Avocado Week, and I love avocados. So I was like, yes, I'm coming. We have Nandini who's gonna meet us at Santi. If you guys had come for my Santi meet and greet, which I think was 2 years ago, then you guys know the place. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and link that video in here for you guys. That is easily one of my most memorable meet and greets ever. There were like what, 80 something of us just from you guys in Bombay, which was fantastic. I'm heading back there now, and we will be having a healthy yummy dinner, which I'm very much looking forward to. I'll share with you guys what we eat, and then we will catch Jerry at home later on, I promise. Okay, see you from Santi. Okay, so we just finished a yummy meal. This is Nandini. You guys didn't meet her earlier. Say hi. Hi. You met Omar earlier.
Hello.
And we are on our way to our house right now. Jerry is at home. He doesn't know you guys are coming. I won't even tell him. He'll be surprise. And we're all.
He throws us out.
He won't throw you out.
Promise?
Promise. But let's hope not. But
Let's hope not. वहाँ पे जाके शी से चलो let's go guys.
yeah, that's Jerry's thing. Jerry always does that to Nandini. Context for you, Jerry is Nandini's, also yours or just Nandini's ex-boss?
Everyone's.
Okay, everyone's ex-boss. So yeah, we're also going to play Mono Deal because we're all Monopoly deal addicts sitting over here. They learned how to play it in Alibag, and now all of us are just crazily addicted to Mono Deal. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. The day is not yet over. Okay, so it is 3 AM literally, and our friends just left the house. I really like these random spontaneous plans that have been happening recently, and I really appreciate the energy that they bring to me because I feel like we had a plan for dinner, and then because they wanted to meet Jerry, they came home. We landed up playing 6 games of Monopoly Deal, and I won 1 game, and I taught all of them at New Year's, and they're all playing so well, and it makes me like a happy Monopoly mama bear, if you know what I mean. So I'm really grateful for these like really nice moments that just happen, really nice evenings that just tend to happen. And I think I value them in general, but I value them a lot more because of how 2020 was. And I feel like certain people bring in just really fun energy, good energy into your life, and I've kind of learned to cherish that a lot more. Work-life balance, just one of those things. I also have the liberty of waking up a tad bit late tomorrow because I have a jumble of a day that I can rearrange basis my preference. That's all for today. This was going to be a weekly vlog, which clearly will have to be turned into a daily vlog because so much landed up happening today that I didn't exactly realize while starting this vlog, but I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. The WearFam comment shout out for today goes to Arya Nair. Thank you for always talking to me in the comments. I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to each and every one of you. So please keep that two-way conversation going. Give me feedback, give me thoughts, give me video requests, suggestions, tell me what you want to see, and I'm here to listen. Please don't forget to turn on those bell notifications before you go away. I'm pretty sleepy. Gonna go take my makeup off, change into PJs, and crash. Good night. I love you.